Change is a choice, instead of a reaction, has become an important concept for me since reading Joe Dispenza's book, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. This book opened my eyes to how I had been allowing external forces and circumstances to shape my life and dictate my behavior. Rather than tackling problems head-on, I was often settling for reactionary solutions that only served to perpetuate the same problems over and over again. Through Dispenza's teachings, however, I learned that we can choose to take initiative in our lives and create positive change from within ourselves. According to Dispenza, if we can focus our energy on what we want rather than on what we don't want, then we can break out of our old patterns and form new habits that will help us lead more fulfilling and happier lives. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Show your love in comment box and subscribe our channel for more such motivational beliefs videos. Thanks for supporting the channel.